Namibia, a country of endless horizons, breathtaking landscapes, and unforgettable adventures. In this video, we'll explore the top 15 attractions in Namibia you can't miss. Let's dive in. First up is Sossusvlei, home to the world's tallest red sand dunes and surreal desert views. Second is Etosha National Park, one of Africa's greatest safari destinations. Etosha is full of elephants, lions, and more. Third, the mighty Fish River Canyon, Africa's largest canyon, with dramatic cliffs and epic hiking trails. Then, the Skeleton Coast offers haunting beauty, shipwrecks, foggy beaches, and desert meeting the ocean. Next is Swakopmund, a coastal town famous for adventure sports and German colonial charm. Sixth destination is Damaraland, which brings rugged landscapes, ancient rock engravings at Twyfelfontein, and desert wildlife. Then, Kolmanskop, once a diamond boom town, is now a ghostly desert attraction swallowed by sand. Visiting a Himba village gives you insight into one of Namibia's most traditional cultures. Ninth, the Caprivi Strip is lush, river-filled, and completely different from the desert, a paradise for wildlife. Then, rising above the plains, Waterberg Plateau is perfect for hikes and spotting rare animals. Known as the Matterhorn of Namibia, Spitzkopa's granite peaks are a dream for climbers and photographers. On the Kunene River, Epupa Falls is a remote natural wonder, where waterfalls crash in spectacular style. The Quiver Tree Forest looks like a scene from another planet, especially magical at sunrise and sunset. Namibia's capital, Windhoek, blends modern life with German colonial heritage, the perfect city stop. Finally, the Sossusvlei Lodge region offers luxury stays right in the heart of the desert. So there you have it, the top 15 attractions in Namibia. From deserts and canyons to waterfalls and safaris, Namibia truly is a land of contrasts. Which of these places would you love to visit first?